Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. Newest member of our family. I want to introduce you to it. This is a 2011 Ford F-250. Now this is a 6.7 liter V8 Power Stroke. So it is a Power Stroke engine. It's got the turbo on it. So it's actually a very nice truck. So let's go ahead and do a walk around on this. Beautiful interior on this truck too. So take our time. You see the chrome running boards on this. Tread appears to be in very good condition. Beautiful two-tone white and a silverish gray on the outside. It does have the hard tonneau cover on back, which you can see that rear slider in the back glass. It already does have the receiver on here and the lighting. Now it does have a backup camera, but I want to make a note, it does not function, it does not work. So I just want to let you know that up front. So let me show you what the bed looks like. Okay, as you can see, it does have a bed liner in it, and actually it looks very, very clean inside. Okay, we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side. Exterior of this truck appears to be in very, very good condition. Chrome is nice on the running boards. You do have the turn signals on your mirrors. Now this is a Lariat. Hope that you can see that. Forgot to mention that right up front. So it is the Lariat trim package. So let's take a look inside. Okay guys, here we are. I got the back doors opened. It is I guess you would say a tannish cream color interior. And I wanted to wait until now to show this to you, but man, this is nice. It does have a sunroof in it. So show you a little bit more about that here in just a minute when we get up front. Okay, as you can see, you do have power seats on this. We'll do a quick view of the interior. Sunroof overhead. Show you the two-tone collar door panels. And your controls up here, window controls. Now it does have a 2 memory position on your front seat, which is great. So let's go ahead and hop up inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. Go over here, show you the command center console in this. Very nice truck inside. So let me go up here. I hope that you can see the gauges, but the mileage on this truck as of now is 134,624 miles. And we back away. You do have controls here on your left for your cruise control, and then controls on the right for your audio controls. It is Bluetooth capacity, connect to your smartphones. Right here is your rotary dial for your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. Go over into your audio system. It does have CD player built into it. And once we scroll down, you'll see your climate control. Now, nice thing with this truck, ladies and gentlemen, it does have heated seats, and it also has cooled seats. So it's something for wintertime or summertime. I'm telling you, like right now, when it was like 20 degrees outside this morning, my car has heated seats, and it's incredible to get in. So I'm going to turn those off. I don't want to get heated up while I'm in here showcasing this truck to you. But for aux controls right here, and get over here to the center armrest. This will fold up. Plenty of storage area right here. Now go up here, you do have a shade that will actually, it's just manual. Let's look in back. Okay, here we go. You can see there is all kinds of leg room that is back here, and that center does fold down for armrest. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's the newest addition to our family here. 2011 Ford F-250. 6.7 V8 Power Stroke, turbocharged V8 engine. We'd love to have you come up, take this thing for a test drive. We've got a lot of financing options available. Little to no money down to get you in this truck today. So just give us a call with any questions. Have a great day.